Well, hey there. Welcome to another episode of the Learning and Earning Company podcast. My name is Tiffany Webster, and today we are talking all about TpT product preview videos. These are the preview videos that you can add to your products if you are on a TpT premium seller account. I don't know if we're using them right. Now, I think they were originally intended to showcase the product, which is definitely a great idea. But actually, one of the better uses for these TpT preview videos is to build the value while also building your know, like, and trust factor with your audience. So here's what I mean. With the video preview, I've gotten a lot of feedback that people don't have the time to watch a 5-minute video of you flipping through the pages of your workbook. Instead, what they want to know, what is the value your product brings them? So my suggestion is to use this video as a chance to showcase the value that your product offers, while also connecting with your audience. I really think it's a great opportunity for you to personally come on camera and make that connection with your potential buyer. Think of this as almost like a little mini sales video, like you would do a reel or a TikTok. You want to hook your potential buyer in with a captivating hook. You want to build in some values that they can see why they would need your product and what purpose it solves for them. And then it gives you a chance to introduce yourself to your potential customers. This is really how you build that know, like, and trust factor with your customers. And people ultimately want to buy from people that they know, like, and trust. So lead definitely with the product and the value that the product brings, but then also include the value that you bring as the creator so that they have that connection with you. All right, so how would you format your video? I really think you can do these in under a minute, maybe, right around there, but aim for about a minute long. Although you can upload up to 5 minutes of video, I really think that these videos are better if they are just quick and straight to the point and give the potential customers just exactly the value that they want to know about. So here's what I would suggest. Start with a captivating hook. 3 reasons why you're going to love this product, or don't do math centers without this, or this is going to be a total game changer when it comes to how you do your science and STEM experiments. Something that makes them excited and interested and lean in to know more about your product. Then you want to give 3 benefits. Benefit number 1, explain to them. Does it make it faster? Does it make it easier? Is it quick print and go? Whatever the value is, explain that in your first benefit. Then give them a second benefit, then give them a third benefit. Now you'll notice that we are totally leading with the value of the product and what's in it for the customer first. This is not a video that you start with, hey guys, I'm so-and-so, I teach this grade. That is not valuable for the customer yet. They want to know first about your product and why your product is going to solve some sort of pain point for them. Again, whether it's faster, if it's easier, if it touches on a topic that they, aren't as comfortable teaching, whatever the reason is, that's what you want to lead with. So after you've given your hook to get your viewer a little bit more interested in your product, and you've given them 3 points of value, now you can introduce yourself. I've been teaching 2nd grade for 10 years. I love creating literacy resources. I hope you'll add this to your resources in your classroom. Give them who you are, what you teach, and your niche. What do you want to be known for? It's really hard to be known for everything. And if your products are for everything, then you may get a little bit lost in the sea of TpT. However, if you can start to niche yourself down and become known for one specific thing or a couple, you're going to be able to drive traffic to your store, and people will come to know that is what you do. So if you start making products that are for 2nd grade literacy, then you want to become known for that so that they become familiar with what it is that you offer. All right. So after you've had a chance to introduce yourself to your customer, don't forget the call to action. I know it seems like they would know exactly what to do, but as we all know, a call to action does prompt them to take the next step. And so in this case, the call to action is going to be add to cart, check out, purchase, that sort of a thing. Now, in this video, if you also have some sort of bonus or something, if this product is part of a bundle, you may want to mention it in here as well. It's a great place for you to do a little promo or a little bit of an advertisement for what you have coming up. All right, so just to recap, use your video preview as an opportunity to add value and connect to your customers. Start with an engaging hook them in, make them interested, make them lean in, make them want to know more, then provide 3 benefit values for them. Let them know the first thing that the product is going to do for them, the second thing the product is going to do for them, and the third thing that the product is going to do for them. Then you can introduce yourself, tell them what you do, what you're known for, what resources they can expect to find in your store, drop any bundle information or any upcoming promos that you want to make sure that they know about, and then don't forget to close with the call to action. All right, so if you wanted to check out one of my preview videos, you can go to my Teachers Pay Teachers store. It's under Tiffiny Webster, the Learning and Earning Company, and check out my student name tags. My name tags have a preview video that leads with a hook explaining the 3 reasons why teachers are going to love those name tags. I give them the first reason is because I've just updated the template in Canva and they're easier than ever to edit. The second is that they can be used for multiple purposes. They can be used as name tags. They can be used as desk tags. They can be used as cubby labels. Then I give them the third reason, which is that they can also be used to label supply bins like glue sticks and markers and crayons, and they're not just for name tags. And then at the end, I close by introducing myself and letting them know how much I love creating simple, easy to use products for teachers, and then drop the call to action to make sure that they add them to the cart. So to help you get started with your TpT preview videos, I've created a free guide for you. How to nail your TpT preview videos. You can grab a link right here in the show notes and grab your free guide there. It's going to walk you through all the steps that you need to create an amazing preview video that will lead with value and draw your customers in through connection. All right, I cannot wait to see the videos that you create. Please make sure that you give me an update by commenting below. As always, like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next episode.